Think about the last time you bought something and actually owned it. For the last decade, we've been living in a digital landlord economy, and Adobe wrote the playbook on turning loyal creators into lifetime tenants. But right now, the empire is fracturing. Despite bringing in a record $23.8 billion in revenue, Adobe's stock has cratered by nearly 65% from its peak. While the rest of the tech world rides a market high, the company that turned its product names into verbs is staring down a death spiral. To understand the collapse, you have to look at the trap. In 2013, Adobe killed ownership and launched the Creative Cloud. They didn't just make it a subscription, they engineered a cage. Using deceptive dark patterns, they steered users into annual contracts disguised as monthly plans, burying massive early termination fees in the fine print. It got so predatory that the US government sued them for trapping users, resulting in a $150 million settlement. By then, creatives stopped seeing Adobe as a partner and started seeing them as a hostage taker. For years, Adobe's response to complaints was simple. Where else are you going to go? Whenever a rival appeared, Adobe just bought them out. But in late 2023, the universe pulled an UNO reverse card. Global regulators blocked Adobe's $20 billion acquisition of Figma, forcing Adobe to hand their biggest rival a $1 billion breakup fee for absolutely nothing. Suddenly, the fortress had holes in it. Canva bought Affinity, offering subscription-free alternatives to Photoshop, while DaVinci Resolve systematically drained Premiere Pro's user base by simply being stable. But the final blow came from inside the house. For tech giants like Microsoft or Meta, AI was a financial life raft. For Adobe, AI is a parasite, cannibalizing its host. Adobe's entire business model relies on skill scarcity, making complicated tools that require years to master. Generative AI destroys that scarcity. If anyone can generate a visual with a single click, the need for bloated, expensive software shrinks. To stay relevant, Adobe rushed out Firefly AI and raised subscription prices, hitting users with an unwanted AI tax. Then came the breaking point. Adobe updated its terms of service to allow automated and human review of user content. The creative community exploded, realizing Adobe wanted to use their private, copyrighted work to train the very AI built to replace them. Even though Adobe backtracked, the trust was completely vaporized. Adobe isn't vanishing tomorrow, but they are learning a brutal lesson. You can squeeze your customers, let your software rot, and rent people back the tools they used to own. You can get away with it for years, right up until the locks break, and everyone runs for the exit. What do you think? Have you ditched the Creative Cloud yet? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.